motherfuckers. Oh, yes. What the hell? Sideways mounted Otis call station. Never seen that. Alright, series 1. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. The lantern doesn't light up, so I'm still wondering which one it's gonna be. Kind of defeats the purpose. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a choice. Lady probably thought I was nuts. And, I mean, she's kind of right. Why don't we do a stop switch demo? Oh, yes. There's your COP, good old Otis. Alright. There's a camera in here, but at the same time, I really want to fucking do a stop switch demo. Oh, this thing classic. Okay. You know what? Let's do it. Alright. 3, 2. Oh, shit. Holy shit. The fuck? Okay, we're just going down at this speed. What? Okay. Are we literally gonna go this speed all the fucking way down? Oh shit. Oh, okay then. Whew. That was interesting. That's what happens when you emergency stop in series 1. Very interesting. Alright. And this fucker on 6. By the way, there's your COP again. Uh-oh. Got answers. Going up?
God, you scared me.
Okay.
Do you know what the main floor is where the theater would be on?
I assume 5.
Okay, thank you. This is fine. Oh, wait, actually. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Alrighty then. That was on. Alright, let's watch this bitch class. Oh, nice. Alright. Access switch. Okay, you know what? I'll set it one more time.
Because that was so goddamn fun.
Alright, we're gonna do a little stopping. Alright, here we go. Leaning against it so the camera can't see me. Oh shit. That stops so fucking harsh. Alright, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Whew. Sorry.